Welcome to the third episode of Jason Builds Cabin. Now you're probably questioning, why is all the stuff from episode 1 back in here? Well, because of the hurricane that came and hit us from Mexico. So we had to move from all that stuff back into here so it didn't all get rained on or destroyed. So we're going to test the electricity because eventually there's going to be a door here. No electricity in this outlet, so we're going to move it to make room for a door that we're going to put in the future. I am a
There you go, perfect.
So we took the sink off and took all the shelving off, and for some reason we have this little thing right here, this pipe coming out, so we're gonna have to cap that off. So apparently all the stuff that's running off water is run by a tank and a well. Okay, it's turned off now. There we go. I have my cap, my glue, and my sandpaper. Now we gotta prepare the pipe, and then we'll be good to go. So we're gonna need the cap because the cap for the plug on the thing that we had to remove, the cap is too big. Now the pipe is prepped. Now we can use the glue. I'm going to push it on and hold it for a minute. Oh, that's right. This includes episode 3. We have completed removing electrical, plumbing, and hopefully no more hurricanes come hit us and slow us down. Stay tuned for episode 4. Next episode, we put in new electrical, a door, and some windows. Drywall insulation. There's lots of work to do ahead of us. Let's get busy. Let's see us on episode 4.